So, Alhamdulillah, we are having a debate. We are going to have a debate, and the topic is city versus village. And teams' names are Kasiki and Shams. Okay? So, this debate is going to be very interesting and fascinating. And our first speaker is Ahmed. Let's start. What's your point?
Villagers want to go city and earn money because they has a lot of cities has a lot of companies.
Yeah.
So, without a farmer, a city person can't eat.
Without?
A farmer, a city person can't eat.
Yeah, without farmers, we cannot survive because of farmers we get food and we get vegetables, these things. One point. Yes, Abdul Khadir.
City buildings are highest and longer than village buildings.
What is benefit? What is
No, sir. Village people don't have a lot of money. They don't have any qualifications.
They have a lot of money. Qualification, I can believe them.
Yeah.
But they have a lot of money. Sometimes even they have fields. Massive, huge fields. Okay. Your point.
Sir, point to डालो.
No point. Doesn't hold water.
Sir, दूसरा बोल देना.
Yeah.
In city we have proper washrooms, but in village they does not have any washrooms. They go to field and relieve themselves there. Yeah.
Villagers go and they themselves in the fields. Open washroom. Oil. Yes. Who is here?
सुफियान बोल सकते
In the Islam, our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is from village.
From village. Was from village. जब तो
Like your point is good, but I think we are becoming religious here. Yes. So let it be. Mohammed, your point.
in city people are have bar, clubs, etc. Wine shop. तो क्या खराब हो रहे ना लोग
People are becoming spoiled.
बोले सर वो spoiled because
ओहो कब बोले आप?
Okay. Yusuf.
City has proper streets and roads. City has proper streets and roads.
City has proper city. Roads and yeah. Point.
City people do zina,
Villages also.
but
अभी नहीं
but more than
लगे एक बार
Okay. If I look,
आफ्टर
city.
again we are
We
becoming
not-
religious.
क्या है?
Like,
We
don't
not-
be the
we
ones
have not like-
Which has an association
have
with
not.
religion.
हाँ.
Village,
They have done
village
that.
people
Villager थोड़ी-
always be healthy and
not
strong more than city people.
Okay. They are healthier than city people. Okay. 2 points. 1 point from this time.
In village, after night, they have not light. They have not light.
After nights they don't have lights. Yeah, it happens in many cases. Yes.
if you live in city, you can educate it yourself like school. If you live in city, you can educate it yourself like school, college.
Yeah, you can educate yourself properly because many people come to cities because of education. It happens frequently, so it is a point. Yes, actually I gave you 2 chances because your team members spoke twice, so hence I gave them 2 chances. Yes, Mohammed.
In Islam, Allah doesn't like harming animals. In village, people don't harm animals. They love it. However, in city, people harm animals a lot of.
Like many people, like they eat pets, dogs, cats,
If you live
in like manner. So it's good to love animals rather than eating them. And okay, like but you should not mention religion here. You can say like we should love animals. Animals are necessary. It is also a part of the world. So we should love them. City people don't love them because they don't have time. Like man, you can describe points in a different view as well. Yes.
If you live in city, you have many
Mike,
facilities.
where is the mic? Hold it.
If you live in city, you have many facilities like restaurant and hospitals. Restaurant, hospitals.
Restaurants and hospitals. Like if you go to a hospital,
But in city, people die.
because they don't have proper hospitals. Good point.
In the village, people live a long life compared to the city, but city people die because of the.
In the village, people live a long life, but in city, people die early.
Come again.
In the village, people live a long life, but in city, people die early.
Very good. Village people have lengthy life than city people. Yes. Ahmed.
City has airports and but village doesn't have.
Take the mic.
Sir,
You say your views.
just like say that there are not lights in village. If people are not awakened, why do we have to use lights?
Like there can be any emergency if someone has to go to hospital.
So, without a village person, they can't make airports.
No, it does not hold water because many laborers are there in Hyderabad as well. That's another point. No, like let them
Village are more successful people than city. Example, are more than MS Dhoni, Abdul Kalam, Modi, Mukesh Ambani, etc.
Okay. Like what happens? Wisdom is not appreciated at home. If you get every facility in city, then what you do, you become negligent, right?
Yes.
If you have good schools, you don't study properly. If you have bad school, it hits your home and you compel yourself to go and study properly. So it happens like many people, they used to have a lot of problems and troubles. They used to live in adversity and calamities, and these things motivated, encouraged them to go and groom their personality. In like manner, it hit their homes. They came, they developed their skills, and they did something for their village, and they named their village. They lightened their villages' names. Okay, so it's good point. I agree with that. Okay.
बोल लिया तुम Sir, city colleges provides us with a brilliant education, but village colleges doesn't. Yeah.
Yes.
The village boys are hardworking. The city boys are lazy.
We cannot say lazy hardworking. They are hardworking than city people. Because they don't have, like they have money but they don't buy vehicles. If they have to go a kilometer, they go on foot. They compel themselves to be involved in the activity, physical activities. Good point. Yes.
City has much buses, taxi, and three-wheeler to travel one place to another.
Sir, people be in a city, it used to be a village.
Okay. Every city used to be a village earlier. Yes.
सर उन लोगों को बोलना है
In village, they don't have internet.
सर
They have internet.
सर यहाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ जी देखो बोलो
These days they have. Sami, your point. Do you have any other point?
Yes. In village, we have not AC in summer.
They have everywhere. Like these days, technology has progressed immensely. Yes, Sami, your point.
The city people, he was rich. He does not hard working. He does not hard working. The city people, he was rich. He does not hard working.
उर्दू में बोलो क्या बोला सर?
अब उन्हें पैसे वाला है तो कहीं को कमाएंगे इतना मेहनत करके.
कहाँ पे?
सिटी में रहेंगे.
बुराई कर रहे हैं, अच्छाई कर रहे हैं सिटी की. Challenge your point.
If you live in city,
लोकेशन बोलो engage
suddenly you run out of petrol.
लोकेशन बोल रहा है
You didn't want walk so much because the petrol pump is nearby.
In city, like in every kilometer or 2 kilometers, you will get a pump in the cities. But in villages, it happens like I have seen and I have experienced many cases that whenever you need to fuel your vehicle, you have to go many times. So if you run out of vehicle, believe me, you will be dog tired. You will be exhausted to find a petrol pump.
But we only say that village people don't use vehicles, so why do they have pumps? They go on foot.
No, actually the main thing is these days there are many people who use vehicles, many people who don't use. But what happens if any passerby needs petrol pump? Like these waste leads to another waste. So there should be some facility. So like it happens as you said, like lights are closed at night in villages. So it happened like whenever travelers travel by there, they face a lot of difficulties. They cannot get a medicine. As I told you, we go frequently to Akitsur farmhouse. There also like all shops are closed at 11 or 12, 11 last. So if we need something, we have to go minimum 20 kilometers in order to even get medicine. So sometimes it makes you trouble as well. Okay. Another point.
Sir, come on.
Now everyone has to give 2 points. Yes.
City has such an amazing
क्या बोलूं भैया बोलो तुम ना
city has such an amazing parks, resorts, farmhouse, but in village they don't have.
Right. One more point.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
In village,
In city we have a lot of shops. Wherever whatever we want, we can get it easily. But in village we have to travel a lot. Then we get.
Mohammed.
In the village did not have pollution, sir.
Pollution, exactly. Try to give a lengthy point. Yes. Be ready to 2 points.
So
Speak.
in village people they don't waste money in occasions.
Okay. You don't spend any lavishly. Yusuf.
सर दो दान ना
In village they don't have any famous companies. In village they don't have any companies.
अरे भैया बोलो
In village they don't have any famous companies.
people did not have
Companies. Sir, udhar
Yes. Yunus.
In village, there are only some masjids to offer namaz.
ready?
बोलो कौन बोल रहे
Sir, in village we don't have masjids, they are telling, but we have one masjid. It will be a biggest masjid of a village.
It doesn't hold associate and like it doesn't hold water, because what happens sometimes if you need to offer tahajjud and if everyone is sleeping at your home, so you need not to get a huge masjid, like you need a small place to offer namaz. So sometimes it is necessary to have a masjid in our vicinity. So give me another point.
In city they have masjid but they didn't offer namaz.
They don't offer namaz. They
Yes.
offer namaz.
जितना ज़्यादा है नमाज
According to population they offer.
In the village, we get fresh milk and ghee, khoa, etc.
You get natural and organic things. You can easily get, right?
Medicines का बोलो.
So you spoke 3 points now.
In the village, medicines are. Sir, दो हुए नहीं.
Now we are exceeding the points.
If you live in city, you will get clean roads. Clean roads.
आयुर्वेदिक है मेडिकल आने आयुर्वेदिक
When you speak in one mic, that also holds the voice.
Yes.
Make sure if you have mic, don't shout. Yes, one more point.
If you live in city, you will get highways. If you live in city, you will get highways.
You will get
Highways. Highway.
okay.
अरे बोलो
Now,
भैया.
highways can be gotten in villages as well. Actually, highways are available in villages because it leads on the road. Yes. You will get 3 chances. If you give 1 point, 3 points में 3 चांस मिलते हैं. सही नहीं बोले दूसरा, तीसरा. इसमें से जितने पॉइंट्स मिले उतने पॉइंट्स मिल जाते हैं आपको. Yes.
In villages, they don't have signal on the road. That's why village people are dying because of accidents. Yeah. How do they cooperate, sir? If they don't have any signals on the road.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
sir, in village they have a nice road, but in city they have a lot of speed breakers. And they
Sir, वो ट्रैफिक का तो अलग बोलना था.
Traffic is something else, but
No,
speed
sir.
breakers, like
sir, they are riding speedily on speed breakers and they are dying.
city people ride the vehicles rashly. I agree with that. Yes.
सर मेरा भी एक डाल दो.
In the village, they will.
अच्छा सर दूसरा बोल.
In the
हमको 3 चांस देना सर.
in the village,
तीन चांस मिलते हैं उसके तो जितने पॉइंट्स हैं.
Villager people.
अब्दुल खादर please.
in the village, they consume less sugar because jaggery and honey good. Good honey.
In the village, medicines are natural, Ayurvedic.
Okay.
Sir, villager people do not maintain discipline, but city people does.
Yeah, they don't keep themselves hygienic.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is wrong.
Sir, when you are not done, comes you can speak. Yes.
Sir, city
If
places are
you
clean
got
and
any topic, then give your point as well. If you just defend.
City places are clean and hygienic, but in village they don't have clean places.
Sir, आवाज है.
Yes.
Sir, third one, sir.
Sir,
क्या बोला सर?
ऐसा नहीं, points नहीं मिले अगर सही नहीं बोले तो आगे चांस मिलता है. तो 2 पॉइंट. Yeah.
बोला क्या बोले?
कुछ भी नहीं बोल.
Hygiene. They speak about cleanliness and hygienic.
In the village, people used to take bath daily.
Village have affordable and tasty food.
पहले ले ले मैंने दे.
People take bath daily.
Village, everywhere people.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Sir,
It doesn't know.
in the village,
Take part daily.
village have affordable and tasty food.
ना sir.
Healthy and tasty.
Natural things बोलिए. हेल्दी आ गया उसमें.
खत्म आ गया.
अब वो विलेज रेस्टोरेंट्स की होटल्स की बात करें तो सिटी की बात नहीं आती.
हाँ सर.
थापू पे जाना पड़ता गाँव में.
अच्छा सर.
दो पॉइंट्स हो गए भाई. 2 भी.
In the city, people.
last है.
कौन बोल रहे?
City
First side.
City have more crimes than village.
ये डिफेंड कर रहे हैं आप. You are not giving your point here.
Sir.
So you are saying villages have less